Hello everybody. Today I got something that will really annoy you. It's the annoying orange. It's the annoying orange toy. You can find them in Toys R Us now. And now you can also find them in Toyzam and find them in your local Toys R Us. This is a small version. They have big versions also, come in different faces. It says lots of words. Like he says what the annoying orange always says in the show. They have tons of these. So, like, let's get to the basic part. Like, there's lots of annoying oranges with faces that you can get. The big ones, they're bigger versions, but it's not keychains. I mean, it's not clip-ons. So like, there's lots of you can collect. You can also get apple, midget apple, little apple. You can also get pear, marshmallow. Yeah. So like, this is what his face looks like. Right here. So, see YouTubers. Like, if you want to see some more YouTube videos, then you can go on Paddle Punk, and then you can go to my YouTube channel. So, everybody, thanks for watching.